1-1 after 120 minutes of football, and we go to penalties to decide who will host Detroit City next weekend.
Tosh 1, Willie 2, Dylan 3, now 4, OJ 5. We've been here before. We can go again. Enjoy it, boys.
Get up there, win the game. Here we go.
We'll go first.
We got through 120 minutes. We f***ing fought. This is how we f***ing win the game, okay? We can win it in regulation, we can win it in overtime, we win it in penalties. It doesn't f***ing matter. We're winning the f***ing game. Yeah, boys. Get up there, Barry. Let's f***ing go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Sean Tosh is the best penalty kick taker for Louisville City. They elect for him to go first. Fantastic penalty. He looks so calm, cool, and collected.
We're 1-1. Wilson Harris. Lou City remains perfect. Happy to get it level. Yes! This is going to be Dylan Morris, his first season with Lou City. 3-2. Graham Smith, 1 goal this season. Yes! 3-3. Sanchez waits. McCabe got it. And Lou City remains perfect. He's got it. 4-4. Jimenez hesitates and pots it. And now Memphis must convert. It all falls to Aiden McFadden to keep it alive. Yeah! Oh, no! Wide! And Lou City is through to the conference semifinals.
We can go again next week. That's the best part about this is we get to work again for another week, minimum. And we're at home. Yeah, we're at home. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. We go again, yeah? Good job.